Hi guys, I am Isa. Today we're going to make a card game with Python. So let's create our main.py file. The first thing I want to do is write player one cards. I'll set to an empty list. Also make player 2 cards, set that to an empty list as well. So now let's make our card types. Card types is equal to A, B, C, D, E, and F. So now let's make for I in range. How about 10? Player 1 cards is equal to player 1 cards dot append random dot choose card types. Now let's import random. So I'm gonna do the same thing for player 2 cards. So now let's print them. So just open the terminal. Now Python main.py. Let's change random.choose to random.choice. So now, as you can see, it works. This is random amount of cards. So I'm going to write while true, imp is equal to input. Which card do you want to place? Player 1. So now I'm gonna make another variable called deck. It's gonna be an empty. So now I'm gonna say deck append. So I'm gonna list the cards that player 1 has. Let's say print player 1 P1 cards. Let's say player 1 plus P1. It's a string of P1 cards. And also gonna print the same thing for player 2. So deck.append imp and P1 cards dot remove imp. So now it'll be the same thing for player 2. No, actually, I'm gonna say deck equals to imp. And before that, I'm gonna put if it is equal to deck, then P1 cards dot append so if imp is equal to deck, then for E in deck, P1 cards dot append E, and then deck is equal to an empty list. Let's say if imp is equal to deck length of deck minus 1. Let's say else. So I'm gonna do the same thing for player 2. Actually, first one just out of Princess's deck. Plus string the deck. No, it's run it. So which card do I want to place? I'll place C. This has what's the next out of range. I'm just gonna add an empty string to it. Let's place A. Now that I place A, A is gone from my cards. Now it's going to be A there. So now, so we don't have A anymore, so let's place C. So now since we have another C, we can place C again. So all the cards in the deck have gone to player 1. So now, let's just do the same for player 2. Just replace all the instances of player 1 with player 2. Now, player 2 cards are remove input. I'm gonna say if player 1, if the length of player 1 cards is less than 1, then print player 1 wins. No, that prints player 2 wins. And then it's gonna break. But if the length of player 2 cards is less than 1, then player 1 wins is gonna break. Let's try it out. So let's go to our place. Let me place C. So if player 2 places C, all the cards in the deck are going to go to him. Player 1 plays D. Oh yeah. We've also got to use that to a string. Anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.